G'day, Corey from Surmac Australia here today. Just wanted to have a chat to you about the Surmac product and just refresh in your mind this year. In 2022, Surmac Australia is a preferred supplier of the Surmac product. We've got the Surmac LM6000 in the standard can, which is fantastic for stainless steel. We also have the LM14, which is great for aluminium. The fantastic thing about the Surmac spray cans is that you can cost them in per job. And we also have the LM6000 in a paste. With the paste, you need to have your own spray booth and your own spray equipment to be able to use the paste. The paste needs to be mixed at a 50-50 ratio of white alcohol, either metho or some sort of white alcohol that you can purchase. Surmac Australia has the Surmac Tape. The reason why the tape is so good, the 2-inch and the 1-inch, is because you can use it on the back of expensive watches, you can use it on jewellery, precious metals, all sorts of promotional products that you can't afford to use the spray and wash off. So the tape is a really good product when it's a low volume. It's around 5 metre roll. We have it in stock. That's why we specialise in Surmac, because the Surmac Tape allows you to do a larger range of products. Surmac's Surmac Ultra comes in a small can, which is great for your costings and promo. Also just doing prototyping and demos. It's also got the standard 340ml can at a really reasonable price. Please check out our prices on the Surmac Ultra online or give us a call. The Ultra also comes in a paste, in a 250 paste. We have those in stock. You can use those just as easy as you can the LM6000. The good thing about the Ultra is that the Ultra allows you to do a wider range of products. We find that the Surmac LM6000 is a better product on stainless steel than the Ultra. It gives a slightly darker mark. But the Ultra, if you haven't seen the dark mark, still does a very good job. It does a good job on aluminium, on copper, on brass, on glass, on mirror. Now we just want to have a look at some metal plaques that we have with the Surmac. This is the new Surmac Ultra. We've put it on a copper plaque. It's nice and dried. That's the finish on the actual plaque. You need to make sure it's nice and dry before you laser it. Please make sure that you clean your metal. Give it a good wash with isopropylene or metho so that you get all oil marks or any oil in the metal off before you put your Surmac on, because otherwise you get little pits and little bits that don't seem to laser very nicely. So today we've lasered our stainless steel, which is the Surmac 6000. We've done that on the Epilog, easy to laser. It was done at a really nice power setting on a 75 watt. We did that around about 100 power, 30 speed, which is pretty quick on a laser for stainless plaque. It looks nice and deep. It's keyed down nicely. Again, we made sure we washed the plaque with metho, sprayed our 6000 on so it was nice and dry, and then we've finished it off. It's come up nice and black. A little bit of banding there, and that's you've got to look out for that. What that means is we were slightly in focus. We probably should have brought it up slightly out of focus, maybe half a mil, half the thickness of your 1.2 mil, and it'll come up nice and black. You'll get rid of that banding. And you can also, once the plaque's finished, coat it in a silicone spray, which is good for longevity outside. We've also done the brass plaque today. That was done on the flux laser, 50 watt, nice and bright as far as the brass is there. Brass is a little bit difficult. Again, you've got to make sure you clean it nicely, probably give it a brush. We didn't brush this one. We tried to just go with as it was, nice and raw, sort of showed that raw look on it. If you give it a slight brush with some emery paper, it'll open the pores, give it a good clean with metho, hit it with the Surmac Ultra or the Surmac 6000. Comes up nice and black, our Surmac on the plaques. Please go online and check out all our Surmac products. The Surmac Ultra, the Surmac 6000, our Surmac tapes, which are great for the back of watches and jewellery. Check them out online at Surmac Australia.